Ever wished you could magically transform your favorite song into sheet music to finally nail that tricky instrumental part? In this video, we'll explore different methods and software options to convert MP3 audio files into written sheet music, helping you learn and practice with ease. First, understand that perfect, 100% accurate transcription is incredibly challenging. Especially with complex music, these methods offer a great starting point. Method 1. Using music notation software with audio import. Many programs like MuseScore Free, Finale, and Sibelius allow you to import an MP3 directly. The software attempts to analyze the audio and create a basic transcription. Go to File, then Import, and select your MP3 file. The software will process the audio, which may take some time depending on the length of the song. Expect to see some errors. The software often struggles with complex harmonies, rhythms, and multiple instruments. This is where you come in. Carefully listen to the original MP3 and compare it to the transcribed sheet music. Use the software's editing tools to correct incorrect notes, rhythms, and add any missing elements. Method 2. Utilizing audio transcription software. Programs like Melodyne and Transcribe offer more advanced audio analysis. They display the audio's pitch and timing in a visual format, like a spectrogram. Load your MP3 into the software. These programs allow you to slow down the audio without changing the pitch, making it easier to identify notes. Use the visual information to manually notate the music in your notation software. While more time-consuming, this method provides greater accuracy as you're actively listening and transcribing. You can also use the software's pitch detection features as a guide. Remember, patience and a good ear are key. Experiment with different software and techniques to find what works best for you and the type of music you're transcribing. With a little effort, you'll be well on your way to transforming your favorite songs into playable sheet music. Happy practicing!